Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had to face grave difficulties for ensuring that things settled down after independence. Partition had created situations which were indeed very difficult to handle. But Sardar Patel's indomitable will and determination, that of steel, were his biggest assets. These were the weapons with which he would fight against all odds. Another admirable quality of Sardar Patel was not to lose any opportunity to motivate and inspire people whom he met. He would also heartily appreciate and encourage people who had done good work. Some excerpts from his speech on December 15, 1947 in Cuttack. You must realize the need to carry on with vigor constructive work such as removal of untouchability and fostering communal unity. I congratulate the workers of Orissa for maintaining communal amity. Selfless and disinterested work is needed for the upliftment of the province and the country in general. Independence has been won, but this independence is only in relation to foreign domination. Real independence, real Swaraj, is yet to be achieved. Swaraj, which will usher in complete success in constructive spheres. In my talk with the rulers, I have argued with them in an attempt to make them see unmistakably which way their good lies. Smaller states have shown the way and set an example for their bigger brothers. Many of the major states are still hesitant, but I have no doubt that they will see wisdom soon. The times have changed, and these are the days of democracy. The rulers must move with the times. I appeal to the people of Orissa to continue and maintain peace, which they have admirably done so far. I deplore the recent events in Calcutta. They are a discredit not only to the Congress but to the country as a whole. The ministry there is a popular ministry chosen by the people. Any attempt at satyagraha against the ministry is tantamount to duragrah. The people of Orissa have a bright future and a great opportunity for plenty of constructive work. The tasks that lie ahead of them include vast programs of development consisting of contraction of a new capital and the Mahanadi project. In both these endeavors, the resources of the central government will be at the disposal of the people of Orissa. To the students I say, the battle of freedom in which we wanted your help has been won. You have performed. You should now devote yourself to the completion of your education. If you still have some leisure, some time, you should devote it to the cause of adult education and spread light among the illiterate masses. You can also work for village upliftment. Now that the reins of the government are in the hands of your own people, you need not worry about politics.